Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to see who blocked you on Instagram. Actually, Instagram won't let you see who blocked you. There is no setting or there is no block list. You have to search for their username. Let's see how to do that. Go to Instagram, then search for their username. See, it won't show you their profile. That means that person blocked you. If that person is in your message list or your inbox, go to your inbox from the top right corner, then open that text. Now click view profile. Now you will see that profile, but you won't see any post. Even if you click follow, it will say follow again. That's all. If you find this video useful, please like, comment. If you want to get more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you.